Today I am replacing the turn switch and the windshield wiper switch on the 240. They're definitely old, they definitely look original, a lot of sun damage on them, and this is not uncommon for 240s. So just gonna try and freshen it up a little bit to make it look more appealing when I'm driving. So yeah, let's get started. Looks like all you need is your standard Phillips head screwdriver to get this bottom plate off to gain access to the turn signals and the indicator. Pop it open. Looks like you don't necessarily need to take the whole thing off. There are just two screws there, but seems like it would make it easier. Not sure if it just pops on or what. I'm sure it'd be so much easier if I was able to take the steering wheel off, but I don't feel like doing it. Perfect. Luckily these screws are magnetic, so they really stay right in place as long as you have a magnetic head on your Phillips screwdriver. This one's got two plugs connecting it. And with a little bit of blood and finagling, get it back in. Okay, before we button all this up, let's see if it works. Okay, so we'll try the left. Looks good. Right looks good. Headlights, brights, excellent. Yeah, that's awesome, and it feels really precise. This we just want to make sure that the windshield wipers go. Looks good. Awesome. And we're done. All right, so all done with that. Only took about 15 minutes. It's the first time I've done it, so it seemed pretty simplistic. Just 4 bolts to drop it down, 2 bolts for each indicator, and you're in business. And of course, the little plastic piece just kind of pops apart after you take off the screws. It is starting to rain right now, so I got to get this done and back into the garage. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, and think about subscribing. Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you for checking it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.